Hi, this is Andy. In this video, I'll test Wave AI. Wave positions itself as a smart AI assistant that lets you record audio, sounds useful, and now we'll see how it works in real calls, and also compare it with another tool called Bluedot, which allows you to silently record meetings, including video. Let's start with the simplest thing, how to record a meeting. To record a meeting using Wave, you need to install their free app. Once you're in, you need to click on this big red button. After clicking, Wave initiates the meeting recording process and starts analyzing all incoming audio. Now I'll record an online meeting and show you what we get in the end. The meeting has come to an end. Let's finish it and see how long the audio analysis takes. So, the analysis was successful and quite fast. And here's what we get as a result. We can listen back to the entire audio recording. We also get a ready-made AI summary, key moments, action items, next steps, and Wave also generates a full transcript for us. We can read it, edit it, and also change the speaker's name. It's not very convenient that the transcript is displayed as one solid block of text. You can quickly get lost in it, and it's hard to navigate. Also, after the meeting, we can use the AI chat to get additional information based on the meeting results. Using Wave after a meeting, you can export the recording in any way you like. You can email it, export it as a PDF, or publish to the web and share a link to the recording. Basically, there are really a lot of ways here. Now let's record a similar meeting using Bluedot. To record a meeting with Bluedot, you also need to open their app and click the Start button. After that, Bluedot starts recording and analyzing everything happening around. Now, to get the analysis and result, you need to click the pause button, then save. And let's see how long the analysis takes with Bluedot. So, the analysis is complete. In terms of processing speed, it seemed to me that Bluedot was a bit faster, but that'll be more obvious to you. Bluedot generates a ready-made AI summary for us. Here we can find an overview, action items, and topics. We can also change the notes template and choose, say, key takeaways, and Bluedot will generate a new AI summary for us that fits this template. Here we can see different headings, key takeaways, budget clarification, next steps, action items, and Bluedot also generates a full transcript for us. Bluedot also identifies the speakers. If necessary, we can change their names. I also like how the transcript is formatted here. It's divided into small blocks, which is more convenient for visual perception. Besides that, we can translate the transcript into more than 100 languages and also share the recording with colleagues. To do this, you need to click here, and we can copy the link to this recording and share it with colleagues. What really stood out to me personally was the accuracy. Bluedot correctly recognized all the names, took into account all the numbers, dates, and didn't make a single mistake. And now let's see how to use them to record a meeting in, say, Google Meet. I've created a new meeting in Google Meet. Using Wave, you can copy the link to your meeting and paste it directly through the app. Let's do that. I've pasted the link, and let's click the Create Bot button. After that, the bot connection process is initiated, and the Wave bot will connect and start recording our meeting. While the bot is connecting, I'll show you how to start recording using Bluedot. You need to click on the extension icon. Here you can choose a note template. You can also choose the language, and to start recording, just click the Start Capture button, and then Bluedot will start recording and analyzing what's happening on your screen. You don't have to wait for a bot or give additional permissions. Bluedot works immediately in just a few clicks. So, the Wave bot has joined. Let's add it. Let's imagine that we've already had a meeting and we want to get the results. Let's just leave the meeting, and then Bluedot will immediately open the link to the recording in a new tab. This is what the recording looks like after using Bluedot. You can rewatch the video in its entirety. On the right side, Bluedot generates a full transcript. You can click on any section and rewatch it. You can also use the AI chat to ask additional questions, and on the left side, Bluedot generates an AI summary for you. Using Wave, you get the result in the mobile app. You can also rewatch the video. Wave will generate an AI summary for you, generate a full transcript, and basically, you'll see everything I've already shown you. You can only get information in the mobile app. I couldn't find a way to view past meetings in the web version, so if you decide to use this tool, keep in mind that all the functionality will be on your smartphone. And let's look at the prices. Using Bluedot, you can fully test the functionality for yourself and record up to 5 meetings absolutely for free. Next, you can subscribe to the basic plan for $18 a month. It will allow you to record an unlimited number of meetings, but only audio. And if you want to record video, create your own custom note templates. Then the Pro plan for $25 a month will suit you. With Wave, you have a limited choice of pricing plans. You can choose a weekly plan for $9 a month. It will allow you to record an unlimited number of meetings. The monthly plan costs $22, and with any plan, you get a 7-day free trial. Let's summarize. If you just need AI summaries and structured notes, Wave AI might work, but if you're looking for a full meeting assistant that silently records meetings, automates AI summaries, and lets you send them to various services, then Bluedot is your choice. If you've already used Wave or Bluedot, share your experience in the comments, and see you in the next videos.